this is the kit that I got online. It's made from RKX TECH. It's a premium vacuum pump rebuild kit for this kind of vehicle, the W204 model for that. So there's like a guide in here that you follow, and you're gonna have to kind of take the pump apart and put in all these like seals. There's like two that kind of goes inside, and this bigger one goes out at front. This bigger one goes inside, and then this middle one goes here, and there's another smaller one that goes inside too. Okay, I got this kit that I mentioned, this rebuild kit, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around this vacuum pump covered about all these screws, and then replace the O-rings inside. There's like two inside, and then there's like one that goes up here. So okay, so I took the pump apart, and like I said, there's the O-ring gasket that you gotta rebuild the kit with, and I was able to there's one that we gotta replace. Okay, this O-ring, and then there's breather tube from here. You gotta use a flat to get it out from here, and I'll take this out, and this O-ring, we gotta replace this one as well. And then this inside the vacuum pump is the big O-ring where we gotta replace as well too, which is this one right here. Okay, so kind of bear with me. I'm gonna switch out all these O-rings with the kit. Okay, make sure to use like a pick or something to kind of get this O-ring out, and be very careful not to scratch anything. Okay. So here's the O1. Okay, replace it with the new one. This kit. Now, put down the link where to get the parts for that. Okay, so pretty much, you know, it's gonna go in the groove nice and smooth like that. Okay, nice and smooth. Okay, yeah, because this other one was flat, so that's why it well, kind of start leaking. And make sure not to get any debris or any dirt inside the pump. Okay, kind of press it neat. Okay, and then so that's done. We could go ahead and put this cover back on. Okay, kind of put this cover back on. It's kind of like that. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna put on two. Let's see. Okay, just gonna. Let's just do this for now, just in case if like something is wrong, I have to take it apart again or so. Okay, and then this breather tube, I gotta take this orange tube out and replace it with this. So again, use your like a pick to kind of Let's take this out like that. Yeah, put this on the side. I'll kind of clean it good. Okay, clean it good, nice and you wanna grab the new one. It's kind of okay, just like that. Okay, and then it's gonna go back to it's gonna go back to here. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna push that back. Okay, I'm just gonna push that back. Let's try it. You gotta push it back all the way until it kind of nice and snug. Okay. Okay, let's try. Okay. There you go. Just gotta force it a little bit in. Okay. So until the clamp went into the slot right here, so it's nice and tight. Okay, so that's taken care of. Okay, and for the last piece, we're gonna, which is this, we're gonna put in the new part here. Okay, so it's gonna kind of go in. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Kind of set it nice and snug in place. Okay, and that's how you rebuild the kit on the vacuum pump. And again, like I said, this kit is from RKX TECH. I'll put in the link on this video so you guys can check it out. So 3 O-rings that you gotta replace. One here from the breather tube, and one inside the pump. Okay, I'll finish screwing all these, and then I'll put it back onto the car then.